Hello guys, I was trying to change the name of one of my Facebook page. Then I just did good struggle, okay, because everything is changed here. So now I'm going to show you how we can change the uh, name of your Facebook page. Okay, obviously you need to access the Facebook through the URL, and you need to log in. Then first you can find the page from here also. Then you will see the here your pages which you manage from. You can go from here also, otherwise directly you can go from here also. You need just if you want to choose another page, you have to see from here. Otherwise just now I'm trying to change this, okay, just click here. Then under the create ads you can see the settings here. Click on settings, then just scroll down. Then you will see a page setup, okay. Then you will see here name. Just click on view. Then from here you can change your name. I just want to try friend in Nepal, okay. Then this is the uh, password of your Facebook profile. Oops. Yes, right. I think this is, I just changed the name, then and submit it, okay. Then it will not display here right now. I think it will take some time to change the name here. Otherwise you will get some notification is approved or is disapproved. Then you can see here also the status of. So you can't change your name on Facebook right now because you have changed it. So that means I changed today, then we cannot change the name again within the 60 days, okay. If something is wrong, then if they are not approving our name, that for new name, they will let us know to the email and to notification, okay. So friends, in this way you can change the name of the Facebook page. I'll show again. Just click on the page. You can do from here also. Just and click in the settings, then find the page setup, then go to the name. In this way you can change link also. Then you can change link from here. Thank you guys.